Unit 25.
Conversation. Who are you? Tom and Carol Baker.
We're Tom and Carol Baker.
Who's your mother? Mrs. Baker.
Mrs. Baker is our mother.
What did she do for you this morning?
She got breakfast for us this morning.
What else did she do for you?
She made lunch for us too.
What did she do while you were at school?
She made some biscuits while we were at school.
What did you have when you got home?
We had some biscuits when we got home.
What else did you have?
We had a glass of milk too.
What did your mother do for you later?
Later she got dinner for us.
Where was Mrs. Baker?
She was at home.
Where were the children at the same time?
They were at school.
Where was Mrs. Baker while the children were at school?
She was at home while the children were at school.
Where was Mrs. Baker?
She was at home.
Where was Mr. Baker at the same time?
He was at his office.
Where was Mrs. Baker while Mr. Baker was at his office?
She was at home while Mr. Baker was at his office.
Who are you? Harold Baker.
I'm Harold Baker.
Who's your wife? Elma Baker.
Alma Baker is my wife.
What did she do for you this morning?
She got breakfast for me this morning.
What did she do while you were at work?
She ironed my shirts while I was at work.
What else did she do?
She sewed on some buttons, too.
What did your wife cook for you?
She cooked dinner for me.
When was it ready?
It was ready when I got home.
Who did you eat with?
I ate with my wife and children.
What time did your mother call you?
She called us at 7 o'clock.
What did she make for you?
She made breakfast for us.
What time did your wife call you?
She called me at 7:15.
What did she make for you?
She made breakfast for me.
Who are you?
I'm Elma Baker.
Who is your husband?
Harold Baker is my husband.
Who are your children?
Tom and Carol are my children.
What did you do for them this morning?
I got breakfast for them this morning.
What time did the children leave for school?
They left for school at 8 o'clock.
What time did Harold leave for work?
He left for work at 8:15.
What did you do after they left?
After they left, I washed the breakfast dishes.
What did you do then?
Then I made the beds.
Dialogue.
Oh, Carol.
What do you want, Mother?
Are you going to help me?
What do you want me to do?
Put the knives and forks on the table.
Is that all?
Put the plates on, too.
Do you want me to put glasses on too?
Yes, please.
Is there anything else?
No, that's all. Thank you.
You're welcome.
Did you like this video? If you like it, please give it a thumbs up and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss any videos.